Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So I'm very happy to share with you the Beadway boxes from Eureka Crystal Beads. So this is a little kit of beads that they put on their website in many different colorways. And what's included is 5 tubes of beads, and you get check glass beads and you get seed beads, and you get inside, you get a little card with a pattern, a link to a pattern on it that is on their YouTube channel. And here's all the info. There's a QR code. Here are all the social media and a little description of what's inside. All you do is add the findings. So they asked me to come up with a design using just the beads in the box. So I took where's the box? Okay, I took the box called Cantana that has the Baroque blossom earrings in it. So that's this earring. And I made an ornament cover out of it. I wanted to make another ornament cover, and they asked me, to just challenged me just to use the beads from the box, and this is what I came up with. And it's so cute. Let me see if I can get it on an ornament for you. It's hard for me to show it with my camera, right? Because my camera is pointed down, but this is sort of the general idea. You've got the idea of what it looks like. So much fun to make. This video will be coming up. Video tutorial for the ornament cover will be coming up like any moment. So you will be able to, if you want, make that ornament from one of these boxes. So I'm going to clear this off, and I'm going to show you each box. We'll do it quickly. But I want to give you an idea of all the colorways and what they offer. So I will put a link in the description box below the video to their website, and a link to the Beadway box page where they have all the boxes and all kinds of fun stuff on there. All right, let's get started. Start with the limited fall colors. So I'll go through them rather quickly, but I just wanted you to get an idea of what the colors look like. So this is the limited fall colorway. And you can make the Baroque blossom earrings that I showed you in the intro with these. So they have that video up on their website, but I also made that ornament cover just using these beads. That's it. I didn't use anything else. So, here is your little insert. They have a little QR code here that you can use. Here's all their social media. It tells you what's included in the little box. So here, I'll just give you a quick look at these. So how pretty. You've got some cabochon beads, and these are gorgeous, gorgeous color. This is bronze luster iris. Oh gosh, that's so pretty. And then you've got a mini duo, and this is bronze Picasso. These colors are gorgeous. And then you have is this a demi-round? So the 8-0 demi-round, and this is one of the hybrid color trends. So these are beautifully coated with, I think, check coatings. Don't quote me on that. And here's another one in this gorgeous sort of lemony yellow. And then we have an 11-0 round. These are Toho, the seed beads. And this is in frosted medium amethyst. It looks very brown, but it's amethyst when you take it out of the tube. But look how gorgeous that is. These are so, so pretty. So you can go ahead and just, you can make these earrings, or you can make anything you like, or you can make that ornament cover just using these beads. All right, let's move on. Here are the next two limited fall colors. So here we have this group of beautiful, beautiful fall colors again. So we have a bugle bead. We've got an 8-0, 2 bugle beads, one in sort of like a iris brown, and we've got this sort of more chocolatey brown, terracotta it's called. And then we've got this gorgeous sort of, this 8-0 in a pine green. That's a matte. Look at that pretty, 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 it's called green tea, gold lustered green tea. That's gorgeous. And look at this bright neon orange. And this one, you can make these earrings using these, or many, 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 many pairs of these earrings using these. You just add your own findings, and you're done. Isn't that pretty? I just love that. So that's very cool. Okay, let's look at the next one. So this is the last group of, and I'll just hold the box, of the limited fall edition. And this is the earring you can make with this, the Cosmic Cluster earring. And look at these gorgeous bugle beads here. There's a gorgeous sort of silver-lined olive. You know how I feel about green. Look at that gorgeous iris here. And look at this really pretty sort of frosted lemon, it's called. And look at this pretty, this is a 15-0, and that's a gorgeous sort of olivine color. What should we frosted olive. And then here we've got this really cute little demi-round, and this is in 11-0, so that's a tiny demi-round. That's kind of like a little O bead, but that's like a mini O bead. It's the size of an 11-0, but it's flatter. That's so cool. So here you go. You can make those earrings, or you can go to their website and look at other things to make, or just make up your own. All right, let's get a look at the rest. Look at these. They're so pretty. So this is Comet and peach beige and bronze. So here are the cosmic cluster earrings you can make using these. You can make maybe, 20 pair. I don't know, more than that. Look at that gorgeous lavender. Here, I'll just kind of bring the pack up. So that gorgeous lavender and an 8-0, like a crystal lavender. And then we have this Rosaline in a 15-0. We've got an 11-0 demi-round, and that's a really pretty bronze, like a dark bronze. And then this is an 11-0 in the bronze. And look at this guy. Look at these bugle beads. Isn't that gorgeous? This is the Apollo. So it's got sort of a hybrid Apollo frosted. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that sort of gray beige, and then this beautiful bronzy gold color, coppery color. Isn't that stunning? I love these. And I think this is the Comet colorway right there. So very, very pretty. And then look at these. Look at this green colorway. What is this called? This is called Baroque Blossom Oratorio Green Iris. So here are the Baroque Blossom earrings. So this is the earring that you could make with it, or make anything you like. So here's that gorgeous cabochon bead, and this is in, I believe, honeydew. And look at this really pretty 11-0 demi-round here. That is gorgeous. And when I see a matte bead, I get so excited. That's so pretty. I love matte. Think of how pretty that will look on either side of a shiny bead. So it's a thinner bead, right? It's like an 11-0, only just like slice it in half this way, widthwise. And so great to have that as, as a little accent bead. And look at these. These are pretty. This is an 11-0. What color is that? That's rainbow lemongrass. Gorgeous. Well, I love anything green. And then look at these mini duos. These metallic metallust electric green. Wow, that's really pretty. And then here we've got a demi-round in a size and an 8-0. So this is a, like an 8-0 seed bead, sliced in half. And this is higher metallic iris in olivine. Gorgeous. I'll pop those out. I'll show you everything in a minute. I have one more box. Let me grab it. Two more boxes. So let's look at this one first. And this is the Cantana colorway. So blues and sort of blush color. And look how pretty the earrings look. These Baroque Blossom earrings look. Let me pop it a little bit. In that colorway. So pretty. Look at these gorgeous colors. So we've got this sort of navy blue in an 11-0. That's looks kind of frosted to me. And then look at this galvanized sweet blush. This is the perma-finish beads. I love their perma-finish beads. They don't wear out or anything. And that sweet blush in a demi-round, 11-0 demi-round. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous cabochon bead. And that is that really amazing electric blue. And look at this little mini duo. I love this color. This is baby blue, but it's more of an intense baby blue, isn't it? So there's that one. And let's look at these. We have these gorgeous sort of teal colorway. What would we call that? Teal antique gold. It's called Aurora. So look at these bugle beads. These are stunning. These are silver line teal. Then we have this beautiful 15-0. Look at the teal color on that 15-0. That's like a frosted bead. And then we've got a bronze demi-round in 11-0. And then we've got the 11-0 in the bronze as well, a regular 11-0. So if you look at, it's hard to see them, but if you look at the 11-0 and the 11-0 demi-round, it's really the same bead, only this one's just, flatter. And then we have an 8-0 in milky aqua, silver-lined milky aqua, and I love the milky beads. I think they're just so pretty. All right, so let me pop them all out, and we'll get a last look at everything. How cute are these? This is adorable. What a great little gift, and it doesn't break the bank, right? Especially around the holidays. So I really want to thank Eureka Crystal Beads for sending these to me. They did approach me and ask me if I would like to pick some out and share them with my viewers, and I did, and I absolutely love all these colorways. We have projects to come using the boxes, the beads in the boxes, as well as incorporating the beads in other projects as well. I'll put a link in the description box below the video to the page where you can just look at all of them and you can check it out and you could read more about them there. All right, so thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays.